Why do some people get so much done, while others feel stuck and unproductive? Is it just willpower, or is there a science-backed way to boost productivity?
Being productive isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Today we're breaking down the science of productivity, the best time management techniques, and how to eliminate distractions to achieve more in less time. Let's dive in.
The science of productivity, how to get more done in less time.
Think you're great at multitasking? Science says otherwise. Studies show that when you switch tasks, your brain takes up to 23 minutes to refocus. This is called task switching cost.
Your brain can't focus on two things at once. Switching tasks lowers efficiency by 40%. Multitasking increases mistakes and stress.
Instead, use single tasking. Focus deeply on one task at a time for the best results. The Pareto principle, or the 80-20 rule, states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. The key to productivity? Focus on the 20% that actually matters.
Here's how to apply the 80-20 rule. First, identify the tasks that bring the biggest results. Then, eliminate or delegate low-impact activities. Finally, spend more time on high-value work.
Don't work harder, work smarter. Successful people don't wing it. They plan their day using time blocking. This means setting dedicated time slots for specific tasks.
Schedule work blocks for deep focus. Assign time for breaks and personal tasks. Use tools like Google Calendar or Notion.
By controlling your time, you eliminate distractions and boost focus. If you struggle to stay focused, use the Pomodoro technique. Work in short, focused sprints with breaks in between.
25 minutes of deep work, a 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer 15-minute break.
This method keeps your brain fresh and engaged throughout the day. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This is called the 2-minute rule.
Reply to a short email? Do it now. Tidy up your desk? Do it now. Make a quick call? Do it now.
By handling small tasks immediately, you prevent them from piling up. Smartphones are the biggest productivity killers. On average, people check their phones over 100 times a day. The fix? The phone box method.
To reduce phone distractions, try putting your phone in a box or another room while working. You can also use apps like Forest or Freedom to block distractions. And hey, don't forget to turn off those non-essential notifications.
Your brain needs deep focus, so limit distractions. Instead of writing a huge to-do list, use the to-list method by Warren Buffett.
Here's a powerful technique to streamline your goals. First, list your top 25 goals. Next, circle the top 5. And finally, only focus on those 5. Ignore the rest.
This forces you to focus on what's truly important. Productivity isn't just about time, it's about energy. Work when you feel most alert to get the best results.
Identify your peak energy hours, whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening. Do high-focus work during these peak hours. Save the easier tasks for those low-energy times.
Align your work with your natural energy levels for maximum productivity. Working non-stop leads to burnout. Studies show that taking short breaks improves focus.
One key to maintaining productivity is to take effective breaks. You might want to try the Pomodoro technique, which involves taking short breaks every 25 minutes. Another great idea is to go for a 5-minute walk or do some stretching. And if you're into it, deep breathing or meditation can work wonders too.
Breaks help your brain recharge so you can stay productive longer. Productivity isn't about working more hours, it's about working efficiently.
Avoid multitasking. Focus on one thing at a time. Use time blocking and the Pomodoro technique. Eliminate distractions and manage your phone usage. Prioritize high-impact tasks using the 80-20 rule. Take breaks and optimize energy levels.
Which of these strategies will you try first? Comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed productivity tips. See you in the next one.